All right. Good morning, guys. Welcome to a new pre-market analysis. Today it's Tuesday, the 23rd. My last day as someone that's 23 years old. It's 23rd of April. It's 7:16 right now. Just did my morning routine, most of it. This is the last thing I need to do. Get my vitamins and then I'm ready. But yeah, we're back. A bit tired today. Didn't sleep that long. But doesn't matter. Oh, sorry. Because it's a new day with new opportunities. We're fresh, we're here, we're ready for it. So let's dive into today. And let's start on the daily. Because what we can see is that we already took previous daily lows. So that can, oops, those can go. We took the previous weekly lows. So that's been done as well. Where's my, go. We can actually see that yesterday. We tapped into it. We're starting on GU, by the way. Um, Friday. Give me one more yawn. All right. So Friday we impulse down, and then Monday we can already see that we got below there, took the previous weekly lows, took the previous daily lows, um, kind of continued the move below these internal range liquidity, and we tapped into that 4-hour demand zone I marked out, and after that we can see that price started to turn around, give that impulse or give a move away instantly from that demand zone, leaving previous daily highs at those lows there, previous daily lows at the lows there. Sorry. But yeah, and that happened. Let me check. I think this was, yeah. So during New York, we tapped in and we turned around and price slowed down after that, of course, as usual. But we have a nice range to work with. We have this high that led to that low, and now we do have internal range liquidity. So if you now come up, we can look for potential shorts from here or still from up here. We can also extend our high time frame range. And if we look at price behavior, what else can we see? So actually during the period between London and New York, that's where price impulse down. Then during New York, price turned around. You can see that doji candle at the bottom, followed by quite an impulse to the upside. And I think this is on the 50-minute. Yeah, on the 50-minute, this is a nice break. Not saying much yet, but we can use it. We have a 5-minute supply zone right there, or sorry, demand zone. But we also can maybe do it like this and look at this area for longs. Why this area again? Because there's not really a strong break. Well, first of all, we have liquidity here. Second of all, we took high time frame liquidity. Third of all, because we took the high, oh, sorry, because we took that high time frame liquidity, we might not get that perfect break and move to the upside. So we might actually get something like that because we have that liquidity there. And you don't want to miss on that move. So I think that going for minor break over here might be actually a good call. Um, so what I will be waiting for right now is that we trickle down, take those lows, and then give us a long move. I wouldn't be looking for shorts. Why wouldn't I be looking for shorts? Well, we are below old lows. We haven't reached back into premium pricing yet. And overall, we want to reach higher. So for me to short from this area, from that most recent leg, is too much. I would at least wait for price to take into range liquidity, then give me a move or an entry drill, and then go from there. So yeah, that's what I'm looking at for GU. Longs from here, and shorts from up here. Is there anything else I want to cover? We know that we have liquidity up here. So if we short from here, we know that there is a risk that we might be taken out because there's liquidity here. Same for this long. We know that there's not a high time frame break or something major of a break that could cause would give us more confidence to long from this area. What we also can see is that we tap into this support and resistance zone. Nice. Over there. And I'm curious if I pull this across. It's some sort of, it's not super major. We can see that we got some reactions from this level. 23,500. Yep. So for today, longs here, shorts here, and shorts here. I can do this actually. Do it like I did yesterday. Oops. That's the XY. So these would be my 4 areas I would trade from. Of that eye. But these are the 4 most recent areas I would look at first, and of course from up here as well. Well, this one looks quite interesting because of this supply zone we got over there. But yeah, this is what I'm looking at for GU. Line it up with DXY. Took that liquidity there, took that high. Still respected this demand zone as of now. And still building up more liquidity to the downside as well. So we might actually get like this and then take the lows. Where do we move from here? So we get the downward move. Whether it's from this block, so like that, or right away, doesn't matter. Well, it does for an entry drill, but price is just price. You can't force it. And this was nice. So EU building up more liquidity to the upside. Oh, I have to do one more thing at GU. So that's not previous daily high. So yeah, I will wait for price to get up there. Asia lows are already taken. Don't need to mark them out. Asia high is still intact. Can mark. It's all right. Okay. So EU building up nicely, liquidity to the upside, and we can clearly see what happened yesterday. That we took these lows, very clean. Zoom in a bit. So we took Asia lows, we took those lows, and we actually took that low as well. And I think we I just missed it. Just missed that supply zone or demand zone, but essentially we got the liquidity, so that's enough. Did it miss it? Oh, I literally tap and that's it. Tap and go. But we took that liquidity. We got that minor break here as well. Yeah, pretty much same story now. We reach back deep into back into that one zone here. We know that we have high, low, lower high, lower low, bullish break, return to discounted pricing, liquidity building up. So we can look for longs. However, the area we could long from has already been taken out, or we already approached that and moved away. So what can we do? The same as we did on GU. And that's just pointing out this area. And from there, we can look for longs. Look for longs from this area. Oh, and then pretty much look at this. So much liquidity there as well. Like price should, how do you say it? Okay. And this is just purely what I know because I trade this pair so much. I've watched this pair so many times and just I can say I have experience in the market now. Just my experience in the market is that price should trickle back up, but look at how this trickles back up, where we clearly even react from support and resistance zones. So that's a bit messy, but you get where I'm going. And look how this trickles up, leaving low, leaving a low, leaving a low, leaving a low. It's not really going anywhere. It's not making higher highs. It's just making higher lows. So it's building up that liquidity at both sides. So although I'm looking for longs from here, if you really want to be patient, let's yeah. If you really want to be patient, you would wait for price to either take out the highs, either take out the lows, and then go for a move. So yeah, but can't do that or don't need to do that because for me, I see this. I see a high. Go with that 15. Okay, go with that 1 hour and make it dark green. I see a high. I see a low. I see a lower high. I see a lower low. And I see that bullish break and I see a potential return to discounted pricing. So for me, I'm looking at longs. But if you would wait for liquidity, then longs might not be your best play right now because we're in this wedge kind of thing and price might impulse either bullish or bearish. But that's for me to find out. And I'm willing to take the risk from this area. So yeah, then it doesn't really matter. And if it doesn't work out from here, then we know price will come down. And then I wait, because if that doesn't work out, I'm expecting a strong impulse down. And then for price to give us a bullish move. And same bearish, just like GU. It's not ideal to short from here, but after taking previous weekly highs, after taking that liquidity and potentially reacting from this little supply zone, I can see a short-term short move play out to trickle back down and then give us a deeper premium for then to roll over. But yeah. That's it. That's it for EU. No fake ranges, nothing to worry about as of yet. If anything, this correctional price behavior is good because this is impulse and this is slow behavior. But it is a bit of ranging right now, and we're still inside that range. So we just wait, or we try to trade with the with knowing that the risk is higher to be taken out because there's liquidity at both sides, both sides. Yeah, I hope this made sense today. I feel like I'm a bit off with my story, but essentially it's pretty clear, and I can always clear it up for you, and that's doing it like this. We've got longs there, and shorts there, and of course shorts from up here, but it's too far away. So that's what I'm looking at, and how can I make it even better? I put my alerts here, so I don't need to watch the charts all day, and I wait for price to come down. Minute demand, give me a middle line. Yeah, let's leave it purple right here. Took that liquidity internal. Yeah, that's what I'm looking at for now. Anything else? Not really. All right. Wish you guys good luck in the market today. Catch you guys soon. If you have any questions, leave it in the comments or just shoot me DM. I'm happy to help if I have time. And yeah, that's my vision on the market today. Peace out.